Hello everyone, this is me Ankur, back with another tutorial, and this one is a really cool one. We are going to use this image and rotate it around and create an animation out of it that you can use to carry messages around of meetings and stuff like that. So first we open this in GIMP. After that, what we do is select this rectangle select tool and select a small amount of area from over here. Press Ctrl and then C. After we do that, we click this bucket fill tool. Alright, what is it? It's here, the bucket fill tool. After that, over here you have to click the pattern fill and click here, and then you have to click this top left thing, the white one, clipboard image. After you do that, what you do is hit plus, that is create a new layer, and click OK. After that, click edit and fill with pattern. So now you're interested in these two things. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is click over here and click new from visible. Okay, so we have this new visible layer. Now we need to move this thing to the top, so it's situated in between these two. The next thing that we need to do is come over here, okay, and then click the rotate tool. Where is it? Over here. Click this and then increase it a little bit, let's say 480. Click rotate. After that, what we need to do is come back to the bottom and click new from visible. Now we need to go back to the top and then rotate it around further. More. Yep, rotate. Now again come to this spot, this second one from the bottom, first second. Now new from visible again, back to the top one, click here, rotate it further, click rotate. After that, we need to come over here, this thing below the white thing, and new from visible, back to the top, click here, rotate it further, a little bit more. Okay, we need to come over here, new from visible, back to the top, click again, rotate more. Okay, now we need to come back over here, click new from visible, again click over here, rotate it around further, click rotate. Again we need to come over here, new from visible, back over here, rotate it further, more. Back here, new from visible, back over here, rotate it further, more. Yep, back here, new from visible, back to the top, rotate. Okay, I think that's done. Rotate, back here, new from visible to the top, final rotation now, final first or second rotation. Okay, over here again, now new from visible, back to the top, click here, final rotation now. Okay, now we are done till this part. Now what we need to do is use this tool, unified transform tool. Okay, so let's check this, our animation. Looks good so far. And finally, we need to create one more time, new from visible. So no, actually wait, we need to do this and then click new from visible. Now we're finally done. Now the next thing we need to do is click this top layer and use this tool, unified transform tool. Click Control and then mouse wheel backwards, click over here, readjust, and now start zooming it this much. Click transform. It'll take a while. After that, create this rotate tool again and rotate it a little bit. Okay, click rotate. Next thing you can do is move this a little bit over here, and then over here, new from visible, back to the top, increase the size further using this tool, unify transform tool, readjust, wait, yep, yeah, go back over here. Actually, let me first crop it. Go back over here, unify transform tool, and increase the size further. Okay, here we are. Rotate it a little bit, move it around using this move tool. And next thing that you can do is probably come over here and click new from visible. After that, you can probably crop this thing, this thing right here. Where is it? Let me crop this thing right here. Now the next thing that you can do is click this unify transform tool and increase its size further over here too. Rotate it around, rotate. Okay, now come back over here, new from visible, back to over here, crop this thing further using the crop tool. Now we are in the final stages. Increase the size further. Yep. Here enter, rotate it around a little bit. Just a second, using this rotate tool. That's too much. Okay, click rotate, readjust it using this move tool to the center of the screen. Crop this thing. New from visible, back to the top. Click this unify transform tool. Increase the size further. Let's see. Rotate it. New from visible, back to the top. Crop again. This is more about repetitive, things. After that, unify transform tool. Increase the size further. Up till here is fine, I think. New from visible. Actually, we can rotate this directly. Oh no, I was not trying to do this. I was trying to do it over here. Yep, rotate it. No, actually, let's let it be. New from visible. And then now let's do it. Increase the size further. Crop it. Now come back here, new from visible, back to the top. Increase the size further. Over here too. Rotate it now. It rotate. Okay, new from visible, back to the top. Crop it. Click this thing right here, unify transform tool. more over here. Oops, you gotta click at the very edge, Now we need to rotate it 1 or 2 times more. Rotate it over here, new from visible, back to the top. Increase the size. Before doing that, actually, let's crop it one more time. Unified transform tool. I think this part is done pretty much. Rotate it one more time. We are now almost done. Rotate over here, new from visible, back to the top. And one final time. After that, let's see, okay. One last time we gotta increase the size. Okay. Till here. Yeah. New from visible. After that, what you can do is you can delete this thing right here. Delete layer. You can delete this layer too. And what you can do is create a new layer, and you can just simply put white over here and select this rectangle tool over here. Fill this with, let's see, actually first come back over here, click select none, come back over here and then pick the color over here. That's blue. Go back over here, select the rectangle select tool, over here edit fill with foreground color. After that you can probably put some other colors over here, your choice. I can put this thing, whatever, like this color combination completely depends upon you. I can just select by color and probably change the color to blue. Actually, let me first just let it be as it is. Select none. Now you can write text over here like this is cool. Increase the font. Okay, and then you can add another layer over here. Isn't it? Okay. After that, what you can do is, probably, come back over here and click new from visible, move it downwards. After that, you can probably hide both of these and select, you can change colors around. Like I can probably put this color over here and probably change the text color, over here. Click here, change the text color to white. Again, click new from visible. So that's it. You can probably delete this thing too. So your animation is done. You can delete this too. Now the last thing that you need to do is click filters, animation, and then playback to see whether everything is working or not. Hit play. See how cool this is. Close it. Finally click filters, animation, optimize for GIF, because this is way too big. The size is let's see, rendering. It won't take long. Okay, so we are done. Now, you know what we can do is click File, Export As, and then text up, and over there we can write, let's say, cool.gif. Click Export as animation. 100 is fine. I can do maybe 125. Or use delay enter for all frames. I'm going to do that. This is your choice whether you want to do it or not. Finally, hit export, and your animation is being created. I don't know why it's stuck. It's probably my computer. Here it is. I need to do a bit of cleaning around. So here's our GIF. It's of 6 MB right now, but there are websites online, where you can go and reduce the size further. You can also display the last text, for longer if you want. So that is it. Thanks for watching. You all have a wonderful day. Peace.